How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching guys how to set up 301 redirects in your Squarespace store. So this way people would be redirected to your old blog posts or whatever URL that you want to input in your Squarespace store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and you guys want to make sure that you're logged into your Squarespace account or the admin console as an administrator. So what you would want to do from here, once you're in the dashboard, is click on settings, and then you want to look for the option that says developer options. So right away, if you navigate to the left side of your screen, you'll see the option as the last one here in the list. So you want to click on it, and right away you'll see an option that says URL mappings. So this is where we'll actually get to configure the 301 redirects for our Squarespace store. So you want to click on it, and here you basically want to paste the links for our old blog posts on Squarespace. So you want to make sure that you just type /blog, and then it's actually a bunch of code, and it can be the name like something like promo sale or whatever. But you guys get the gist. And what would happen is people would be redirected to this link whenever they click on an element in your homepage or your store page, and basically generate traffic towards that old blog post. And yeah, it's honestly that simple. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.